Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Lectures. Guys, in this particular video I will be talking about how you can prepare attendance sheet in Excel. Okay, so here I am opening Excel first. So now we will be making attendance sheet in Excel by having a kind of proper data. We can say raw data. So we will take this kind of new data. Suppose I am taking new sheet, insert. Okay, you can see I have gotten a new sheet, and here you can name it like attendance attendance sheet. Okay, from here you can prepare now. Okay, so in order to prepare a attendance sheet, we will take some raw data from salary sheet. Okay, so here I am taking some data like serial number, name of employee, designation. So just select this, press Ctrl C, go to this sheet and press here Ctrl V. Now you can see my data has been pasted out here. Now we will be making attendance sheet. So step 1, you will have to add 2 rows on the upper side. Like in order to add 2 rows, you can press Alt I R first time, Alt I R second time. Now you can see I have gotten 2 rows in my Excel sheet. Okay. Now, here I am typing April because all the financial year is getting started from April as well. So just type April and just scroll it to the left side. So Control X and here Control V. Now you can see it has been pasted out on the left side. Okay. Now here you need to write the dates. Okay. So if I am writing 01 04 2022 enter. Now you can see it gives me the whole date, or we can say that long date. It is 1st April 2022, but here I want only digits, that is I want only dates 010203 instead of 04 2022. So what I will be doing, I will just put my cursor here and press Ctrl 1. Okay, whenever you will be press Ctrl 1, you will be having this kind of dialog box, and you can you can just open it with the help of Ctrl 1, or either you can also open it with the help of this, like go to number format. Here you can see get the same dialog box. Okay, so what you need to do, just go to the custom, and here you need to write instead of DDMMYYY, write just double D. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see whether you have applied DD, you have gotten only numbers like 01, and just scroll it up to the horizontal side by up to 30. Like we can see, we all know that a month of 30 days. Now you can see there are 30 days. Now what you need to do, here you need to select it all these up to 30. Okay, and just मेक देयर रिसाइज. ओके, इसके साइज को हमें सेट करना है, तो प्रेस ऑल्ट एच ओ आई की मदद से आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने जो डेटा है उसको मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, उसको कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं अपने डेटा के अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है, विदाउट हैविंग मच स्पेस. नाउ what you need to do, just select all the data up to 30 and press alt HBA in order to cover it by border. Okay, now you can see a kind of layout has been prepared for your attendance sheet. Okay, from date 1 to date 30. Okay, now what you need to do, here you need to put the data like present, absent, sick leave, paid leave, all these things. So in order to maintain the data in this particular boxes, we will use drop down list, because if we will use the data manually like present, absent, so it will consume various times. So here I will be using drop down list. Okay, or we can say a data validation tool. So press alt VV. Okay, sorry, press alt A double B. Okay, whenever you press Alt A double B, you will get this particular dialog box. Just go to any value like list and just press insert. You need to write down the terms like present, absent, sick leave, paid leave, or other any kind of health whether you want to apply, like present P, comma, AB for absent, SL for sick leave, and PL for paid leave. Okay, and just OK. Whenever you will be applying this, so you will be having this kind of, sorry, here is an issue because write down, because the drop down list menu has been drafted here because my cursor point was there. Okay, so I need to put the cursor here and go to the data validation tab. Data validation, like here, data validation tab, and just go to the data validation, select list items, write down P for present, AB for absent, PL for paid leave, SL for sick leave, and just click on OK. Now you can see the kind of small arrow has been put it down, or now you can see all kinds of parameter has been write down here, like P for present, AB for absent, PL for paid leave, SL for sick leave. Okay, now you can write down, or you can just put your data with this particular drop down list with a couple of minutes, like present. Now just press Control plus down arrow and just press Control plus right arrow. Okay, now you can see present data has been filled out in this particular column. Okay, now you can see this kind of data has been put out with the help of P. Now here I need to put some kind of boxes in order to show absent, like here absent, absent, sick leave, okay, PL. Okay, now you have been observed that in school or in any kind of organization, present is being highlighted by green color or absent is being highlighted by red color. Okay, so we will use conditional formatting in order to make it in a color way. Okay, so go to conditional formatting and go to the equal tab. Again, I am saying that go to conditional formatting, go to the highlight cells rules, and go to the equal to. If your data have present, so he will be showing with the green color. So just mark green color and OK. Okay, now you can see if your data would have present, so it would be highlighted, or we can say this box would be highlighted with green color. But on the other hand, if your data would have the absent column, or we can say absent box, so it would be highlighted with red color. Okay, AB, if there is an AB, so it should be highlighted with red color. Okay, okay, okay. And we can also write down, we can also use color for PL and SL as well, like equal to. If your data has PL, so it should be highlighted with yellow color. You can choose any kind of color according to your convenience. Okay, now you can see I have given the color of all the parameters like present, absent, and PL. For present, we have taken green color. For absent, we have taken red color. For PL, paid leave, we have taken yellow color. Okay. Now you can see our data has been drafted. Now, if you want to add the days as well, so what you need to do, just put your cursor here in this particular column and just use a kind of formula in order to represent days. Okay, what you need to do, just put your cursor here and just scroll it up to some space. Okay, and write down here is equal to text. It is a formula which is used in order to represent the days, is equal to days, and just select this particular column, that is 01 column, where your month is starting. D3 comma inverted. If it is DDD, just write down 3 times DDD and semicolon close and enter. Whether you will apply this particular formula, so you would be having the respective days. Okay, and just scroll it up to the end value like 30. So you would be having all the dates or we can say or the days that is about to come on the next day. Okay, if you want to show it in a vertical manner, so you can go to the AB this particular box and use rotate text up. Okay, now you can see your days has been highlighted here with rotate text up. So this is the term, or we can say this was the design by which you can prepare an attendance sheet in your office. Okay, if you watch this video wholly, or if you like this video, just subscribe my button and just press the bell icon. Thank you.